Cecily speaking. How may I help you?
I would like to make a reservation, please.
Okay, ma'am. May I know when and what time?
Tonight at 8 o'clock.
May I have your full name, please?
Under the name of Miss Duman.
Okay, thank you. A table for how many, ma'am?
Table for 2 persons only.
Okay, excuse me just one moment, Miss J. I will check the other tables for you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you for waiting, ma'am, and I would like to tell you that we have an available at your preferred times. Are you celebrating a particular occasion, ma'am?
No, it's just a regular.
Okay, ma'am, by the way, may I know your contact number so we can contact you for this reservation?
Sure, it's 0934670911.
Okay, Miss J, may I repeat the table reservation details? Two table for the night at 1 p.m. in the name of Miss J. And your telephone number is 0934670911. Is that data correct, ma'am?
Yes, is that correct?
Anything else, ma'am?
Nothing else.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am. Have a nice day.